Did you know the strongest man who ever lived killed more enemies in his death than in his entire 20-year career? This is the final story of Samson. The legendary strongman sat chained in a Gaza prison, his eyes gouged out by his enemies. Day after day, he ground grain like an animal while the Philistines celebrated their victory. But something was happening they didn't notice. His hair was growing back. The Philistines threw a massive party in their temple to honor their god Dagon. 3,000 people packed the roof and filled every corner, all there to mock the fallen Hebrew champion. They dragged the blind Samson out for entertainment, laughing as he stumbled around. But Samson had a plan. He pretended to need help while secretly feeling for the main support pillars. Standing between the two central columns, he prayed one final prayer, asking God for strength to avenge his sight. Then Samson pushed with supernatural force. The pillars cracked. The entire temple collapsed in seconds. In that moment, he killed more Philistines than in his entire life as judge.